When stars are born, they possess a gift or two. One of them is this: they have the power to make a wish come true.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have a wish, I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do, and all our wishes will come true. You wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you.
Pretty, huh? I'll bet a lot of you folks don't believe that about a wish coming true, do ya? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a cricket, but let me tell you what made me change my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen, and it all starts with a wish.
I wish I could go to the ball. I'm wishing someday my prince will come.
No request is too extreme.
I wish I could be part of that world.
I wish we'd never have to grow up. Off to Neverland!
When you wish upon a star as dreamers.
What, Jiminy? Someday I wish I could be a real boy.
Genie, I wish for your freedom.
You know, any wish is possible. All it takes is a little courage to set it free. A wish is a powerful thing, especially when it comes from the heart.
She brings to those who love the sweet fulfillment of their sacred love.
It's where it's safe. When we were there the other night watching it, it looked like it was right behind, but it actually wasn't. It was right there the whole time.
It was like just way far.
It looked like it was just behind it, but you can see how far away it really is.
boat out of the blue. Fate steps in and sees you through. When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Sometimes wishes can be granted in the most unexpected ways.
Give me such a crick in the neck. Hello, people. Up here. Come on. We've got some wishes to grant.
Just remember, always let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide.
Slaves in the magic mirror come from the farthest space. Through wind and darkness I summon thee. Let me see thy face. A blast of wind to fan my fate. A thunderbolt to cast my spell. Alas, grant me my wish as well.
You know, folks, you gotta be careful what you wish for around here, or you'll get yourself in an awful mess. But just when things look bad, fate steps in to see you through. Well, I'll be. Oh, it's the Blue Fairy!
We must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic in the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make a wish come true.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I could, I wish I might. Have a wish tonight. Make a wish and do as we must do. And all our wishes will come true.
You see, it's just like I told you. Wishes can come true if you believe in them with all your heart. And the best part is, you'll never run out of wishes. They're shining deep down inside of you. Because that, my friends, is where the magic lives.
Wishes, dream and dream. Wishes, set and free. Wishes, trust your heart. Just believe, just believe.
Done? Now let's go, Dad. I can hear the bag.
Mom, tomorrow are we going to Disney World?
Dad, I'm gonna go in with Mom.
Yes, I'm
No,
going.
there's too many people walking. Can you stay here with me for just a minute? I want to get some video of the castle.